Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, in today's short episode, let us focus camera a bit lower. Okay, and we will open the display. We will see what's inside the display. This is the protective layer when new display is coming, but this is a cracked display, so we're not interested in what ifs. Here it's the protective layer as well. Yes, and that protective layer has to go off before further disassembly. So we can move this and this, and now we see the PCB, which is like a driver board for the LED display itself. Okay, and these are called COFs. It's chip on film, yes, or it's just a film as a connector. So which type of we have? Okay, and let's get a soldering iron. I'll show you something. Okay, so all we need is just the one, but you can see these are like metal here, yes, and they've got rubbery thingy here. So what it is that these irons are for COF bonding, so chip on film bonding. And I haven't seen these in the UK. I've got one with American black. I got one with British here. So it's this one. Let's plug it in. It will take some time before it can. Oh, British, not even British. That's a European one. Yes. So let's plug that in. Let's see. Yeah, we got a light, so let's wait. That will become really hot, okay? So we need something to put it on so that we won't get it. Oh, it's getting hot. That's nice. That's really nice. That's all we wanted. Let's do max temp as well, and let's focus on this. So what do we have here? Here is some sort of a tape. So the layer of the display is insulated by this tape, I'd say, and I don't know how well it holds. Let's get some knife maybe, and let's see if I can rip it. Not necessarily. So yeah, see, I'll maybe pause and I'll try to, how hot it is. Oh, it's getting quite hot. We can try maybe. I don't know if it's hot enough, but we can try. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so this has special adhesive which use like a double-sided tape, and then what's happening is, a second, oh, it doesn't go off yet, need to hold it for longer, and you can COF bond it on the tellies. Yes, I'm using it for TVs. I never used it for the it's starting, but it's slow, so still needs some time. So what it is that you can buy COFs, you can buy chip on film on AliExpress, and then you can use your microscope and this to fix the issue of it. Not always, and not that you can buy all of them, but oh look, it went, but it burst. So we won't do this one. Oh, that's something wrong, because it doesn't get the whole heat as I would anticipate it. So yeah, I've done it in the past, but not many times, and I wanted to do more of it because many customers are coming with different faults which you can't fix in an ordinary way, and then you need this. Yes, so well, there was a light. Was a light and no light. Is it? Oh, okay, I see what's the problem is. My connector is really poor quality and this light, it's now on, but it was off. So yeah, it was actually my connection problem, not that it was a problem here with something. Oh, we're using solar panels, I see, to do it. Oh, now I feel this hotness coming from the iron, yes? But it's still stiff, really stiff. It's taking a few minutes, literally. So yeah, then you've got special chemical compound, I don't know how to call it actually, it's like a adhesive remover or something. Your skin will be burned if you will touch it, and you use that one to clear the surface, remove that adhesive. Still doesn't want to, but once it's hot enough, yes, it's going easier than the glue in the phone, much easier, just peeling off. My son wrote here. Okay. Weird, this one goes really slowly. Are we able to save at least one? Not that it matters, it just that I wanted to show you. Okay, so I'm not happy with it. You know what, let's give up on it. Oh, this one at least went out. So see, so it went out, not all, not fully, but it went out from this, yes. So it is going, but for some reason my iron, it's a bit of a problematic right now. So let's open the, how do you call it, let's open the rest. Okay. Who cares about this one, doesn't matter. Okay, so the next part is to open it here somehow. We don't care about what happened to it, we want to see what's inside. Okay, yay, we got it. Yes, now this side. Oh. Okay. All the layers there is, and some plexi at the bottom. You see, don't do it at home. Okay. And yes, so this is just a sheet, like plastic, thin plastic. This is thicker plexiglass. This is thicker plexiglass, and this actually is nice. You can use it for some projects. Now, these are polarizers, so you can't see through, because that's spreading the light. So you should have LEDs there at the bottom, but I can't reach to them, so I won't be removing it anymore. But anyways, what's happening is you've got LEDs on the edge of this, and they are spreading the light across the whole display. Yes, that's why this one has to be a bit thicker. And then these diffusers, if you got two here, okay, so yeah, I can see the display, but I can't, there is not every way you can see, so if you turn it in other way, you don't see it. But these are like helping to display the picture, and I don't know which one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so there you can read about them. There's like funnel lens or something, I don't remember, one of them it's used, but not all the displays have the same thing. And then you get the display itself, that's crystals. Yes, so Robert Murray Smith was showing about doing solar panels out of them, but the efficiency is lower than regular solar panels. And so if you get time and if you want to do something fancy, not caring about efficiency but learn something new and just have some fun, you can use this from old tellies and old monitors for sure, but the less cracked the better, that's for sure. And Robert Murray Smith has a video showing how he dismantled whole monitor and then how he's using this, how he's preparing, because you need to segregate these two glasses one from another and make usage of them by scraping off. Where's my blade? I can't see my blade here. But anyway, you got this how you call this wedge type of the blade, and you just use it and scrape it off, because one of them will be ready and second need to be scraped, I think, from what I remember. So I've got those displays from the tellies, sort of them not prepared better because I'm not having scripts or anything. And you see these are layered, so you got two layers, one and second, and you need to scrape off one of those layers to have an access to those transistors, which is a conductive area. Yes, that's why it's worth watching that video about it. How efficient it is, I don't know, I haven't tested. I've got plenty of those displays here because I refuse to bin them, and these are nice to do for many other projects, so I'm not binning them as well. Depending on the technology, do you have an edge backlight like it's here, or you get a full backlight like in the older tellies, then this won't be clear. Yes, this will be thicker and will be whitish. Okay, so just keep it in mind. If you require clear plexiglass, not all of the monitors or not all of the tellies will be in your favor. So just keep it in mind, because if you're gonna get them, better know those things than later. And that's all there is inside the display. And hope you've learned something. Hopefully you see if that's useful for you or not. Keep in mind you can get hurt here, but if that's what you need, at least you know what to expect inside. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.